Yo, what is up guys? This is Simply Supreme. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. I am doing a sneaker giveaway when I hit 1,000 subscribers, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But today I have a package. These are the Off White Prestos, so let's go ahead and open these up. Okay, so the packaging really got messed up. Now that we have them open, let's get the camera closer so we can pick out the details of the shoe. Okay, so now that we have the camera closer, the first thing that you can tell is that I've already changed the way that they're laced. I took them out of factory lacing and simply went with like a loosey-goosey type thing, like with YEEZYS. So this shoe has this black upper, and it sort of looks like the shoe is totally flipped inside out. And of course it has the exposed foam right here in the bottom, this whole entire big tongue that's actually separate from the actual shoe where your foot goes in. So it may look like it's really loose, but it's actually not. Your foot is actually very comfortable inside this shoe. And under the flap, we have the logo right there. And also, here's a Nike logo right there. It says Air right here, and the Off-White logo on the insoles. And this is Velcro right here. So that's pretty cool. And then right here on the cage, it says Presto. And so this shoe actually came with 4 pairs of laces. So we have the green, the orange, the black, and then the white that it comes with right here. So the cage in the bottom part of the shoe, they're about the same color. The cage is just a little bit more translucent, and on the back also about the same color, it's just translucent. And it actually goes all the way up here, it just changes colors. And you have the orange tags right here on both of them, and the Nike swoosh. And the only thing that I noticed about these was the material for this is a little different than what the actual real ones will be like. And obviously it has the print behind the cage right here on both. And of course on the laces, it says shoelaces on both sides, both of them. The Nike logos on the inside. And one last thing that I want to point out is the red accents in the stitching. Okay, so that was pretty much a whole entire rundown of the Off-White Presto. And I forgot to mention, I did take off the tag because I don't really like it flopping around. But that is the reason why the tag was not on there. But the tag does look really good with it on there. It just gets annoying at times. But that's pretty much going to wrap up this video. Make sure to enter for my sneaker giveaway when I hit 1,000 subscribers. But as always, thank you guys for watching.